So now let me show you the functionality of this web application. So let me go on copy the path. After copying the path, I should paste this path here. So this is the index page of our website, and you can see here a favorite icon. This is the logo of our college. This is the address. This is the primary navigation bar, and this is the some info about our college, and these are two buttons, contacts and register. This is the news section. There are 4 points which are aligned horizontally one after other, and these are the courses offered by our college, and these are the buttons to know more about the course, and this is the copyrights, and this is the footer navigation bar, and these are all the social media links. So let me show you the functionality of one after another. So by clicking on register, we can go to register.html. Same for courses and contacts as well. Let us see the features of home page. So we click contact us, we will direct it to the contact us page. So same as for register, it will go for register.html page. Coming back to home page. If we click in CSC, it will direct it to the section in CSC. Or directly, if you want to see mechanical, by clicking on this button, it will take you to the courses page, and it will show the mechanical course on top. You can see that mechanical course on top, but previously there was computer science course here. When we clicked on computer science button, that is same for ECE as well. It will directly show you that division. So that's it about home page. These are all the features of home page. Let us go to register page. So these are the steps for registration. This is the form where we have to submit. So this is my email ID. I can select a course here, and when I try to submit this code, this all form will be reset as said in instructions page. So this is about register.html, and these are all the course. This is computer science, and the matter about computer science department, same as for ECE and mechanical engineering as well. Let us go to contact us page. If you have any issues, you can just fill up this form. If I try to submit, it will show that since this is an email, I have to give proper email. If I submit, the values will be reset again. So now let us see about social media links. These are all the social media links. If you click on visit our Facebook page, it will redirect to the Facebook page of Tirumala Engineering College. It will take some site to get load. So this is the Facebook page of Tirumala Engineering College, and we can go to the Instagram page as well. So this is the Insta page of Tirumala Engineering College, and by clicking on this we can watch their LinkedIn profile. So directly we have to sign up to look that. So this is for Twitter. It's getting loaded. Since our college don't have any Twitter account, I have just give JNTUK Fast Updates Twitter account here. So if we try to if we click on mail this button, your default mailer system will be opened, and once it loaded, you can see here since you can see here two address will be the default one which I have given in my A code I have given the default one as Pawan Kalyan or Smalli. You can see here it is showing here Pawan Kalyan or Smalli. Since our college mail is confidential, I have no rights to give that college mail, so I have kept this mail. So let us try with some dupe mail here. Let us say tecnrt at the rate of gmail.com, and for suppose let us close this mail. Let us go to the home page because I have attached that mail in home page mail as well. If I click that mail in the to section, the tcnrt, you can see that this mail has been displayed there, so it is useful for us. So this is the overview of my website. Thank you for watching.